Hi, my name's Ashley Latter and I've got 4 questions I'd like to ask you. Would you like to increase the uptake of your treatment plans, but all done in an ethical way? Have you ever taken a technical course but feel like you haven't fulfilled your potential yet? In other words, maybe you bought some of the kit and it's still in the box. Do you find it challenging to discuss fees? Or do you ever find yourself in a situation where you reduce the price of your treatment in your head and by the time it comes out of the mouth it's a bit less? If you've said yes to any of these questions, then I know you're going to love this program. We can help you develop the new communication skills that will help you deliver the dentistry that you love to do, but most importantly your patients want. Please join the program and I look forward to working with you and helping you change your patients' lives forever.